हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम बात करेंगे जावा क्लासिक 300 के बारे में, विच इज़ अ बाइक विच रिजेंबल्स द जावा ESD विच वाज देयर इन द इंडियन मार्केट बाय जावा। कैसी है बाइक, व्हाई यू शुड बाइक, एंड बात करते हैं इस बाइक के बारे में। एंड लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। So guys, this is a Java Classic launched by Java in India along with 42. This is one of the bike which gives you the old feeling with a retro looks. The looks are majorly same as of Java ESD which used to come earlier in India. इंजन स्पेसिफिकेशंस की अगर बात करें तो दिस बाइक कम्स विद 293cc liquid cooled DOHC engine. The engine is same as of Java 42. As it is a BS6 bike, that means it is fuel injected and the refinement and the performance of the bike is really good. The power generated by Java Classic is 27 bhp with 28 Nm of torque. Good punch, good power and good refinement in the engine. You don't feel any kind of a vibrations while riding. The foot pegs are stable. The bike is stable on the road. Looks की अगर बात करें तो looks are retro, classic and gorgeous. You're getting a very good fuel tank with the same lid as of Java 42. There's a difference in the rear view mirrors which are provided by Java. These are chrome plated rear view mirrors which you are getting in Java Classic, which is not there in Java 42. The difference is in the meter. This is the meter console of Java. The meter gives you the feeling of old ESD with the same retro looks as of ESD which was there in the Indian market. The headlight is the same with a circular headlight with the same horn setup, and the front is completely as same as of Java ESD. Brakes की अगर बात करें तो you are getting an option of dual disc brakes with dual channel ABS, but you can also buy a bike with single ABS and single disc brake at front, and rear you are having drum brake in this model which I have right now. The tail light that you have is LED at the rear as of Java 42. The rear presence is same as of Java 42. There is no change. You are getting dual silencer, dual shock absorbers at the rear. The seat is same as of Java 42. No changes in seat also. बाइक की परफॉर्मेंस की बात करें तो बाइक इज़ रियली गुड ऑन द रोड. परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छी है. बाइक sticks to the road while riding and gives a really good performance. Stability बहुत अच्छी है. The weight of the bike is well balanced. You don't feel the weight on yourself. अब बात करते हैं what are the difference between the Java Classic and Java 42. The major difference that you feel is in the front end of the bike. The front is completely different as of Java 42. The setup, the mudguard, the setup of the horn, the headlight, and especially the meter console is different in Java Classic, as you have different kind of setup in Java 42. Rear view mirrors are also different. They are chrome plated, which is not there in Java 42. And the tank paint and the layout of the tank is almost same, but just the paint scheme is different. In Java Classic you are getting different paint scheme with the more of chrome work to give you the retro feeling that you can have, and the feeling that you are riding a retro Java ESD bike. So it is more of a retro than a performance bike, so it is going to give you a feeling while driving that this is a retro bike that you are riding on the city. Seating posture is comfortable and the seating is around 70 to 80 degrees, which is right enough. Upright posture hai and the legs are placed in front, so that means you are not going to feel any kind of tiredness while riding the bike. बाइक में कोई ऐसा मेजर इशू नहीं है. Yes, you are getting spoke wheels. That means the tire are also tube tires and you're not getting tubeless tires in Java Classic also. Engine looks very refined. Performance and the beauty of the engine blends with the beauty of the bike, and it gives you the feeling that yes, the bike is complete retro and classy and a cruiser that you should ride in the city, and the people are going to turn their head while you are going to ride the bike in the city. So guys, अब बात करते हैं बाइक के बारे में, how it feels while riding. The posture of the bike and the seating is really good. You don't feel any kind of a pain or any kind of a stiffness while riding the bike. You're feeling comfortable. You feel the bike. The engine is responsive. The throttle responds really well. you are going to feel that power within yourself, and you are going to ride the bike in a manner that yes, this is your part and you can ride it for the longer period of times. Engine refinement is really good. There are no major vibrations that I felt while riding the bike. Rear views mirror are stable. That means the vibrations are less. You are getting good amount of power and pickup is really good. You are getting 6-speed transmission. The bike is liquid cooled. That means the stress is not there on the engine. You can ride it for a longer period of time without getting heating issues or stress. The radiator kicks in at a specific time and it really helps in keeping the temperature of the bike monitored and controlled. So that means if you are in a city, you are in a heavy traffic and you still feel that there might be a chance that you are going to be stuck in the traffic for a longer period of time, you can keep the bike on because there is no issue with heating and the radiator will obviously monitor and keeps the temperature of the engine in controlled manner. Differences जो हैं Java 42 और Java Classic में वो मैं आपको बता चुका हूँ. It's in the front end of the bike. Chrome का वर्क बहुत ज़्यादा है बाइक में. Front meter जो है that is different. It is embedded. It is same as it is used to be there in Java EHD, which is the old bike given by Java in India. Front end से बिल्कुल retro feel है and the ground clearance is low, due to which the rear end of the bike is lower than as of the usual bikes, which gives a retro feeling. जैसी पुराने टाइम पर बाइक्स आती थी क्लासिक बाइक्स, उनके जैसी फीलिंग यहाँ पर आती है. सो मोरोवर अगर बात करें हाउ द बाइक इज रियली गुड. इफ यू वांट अ रेट्रो बाइक विद अ रेट्रो फीलिंग, रेट्रो प्रेजेंस एंड a decent power and a decent performance in city, then yes, this is the bike for you. You are getting good modern features. You are getting engine kill switch, you are getting trip meters, you are getting liquid cooled, and yes, the overall look of the bike is really good. You are getting different colors in Java Classic and all the colors are really good. My preference or my personal favorite is pearl white, which is gorgeous looking color in Java Classic, and you should also have a look at the color and I hope that you are going to like the color. So that's all guys for today's video. आज इतना ही. कल बात करेंगे किसी और टॉपिक के बारे में in the next video. Till then, like करिए, share करिए, and if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe my channel. जल्दी मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो में. Thank you so much. Take care and keep riding.